latest na chika, blind item news. Aktor may inamin sa relasyon nila ng ka-love team. Ito'y nakakagulat. Wala daw silang label. Wala daw silang official na sila. Ito nga ang sabi niya. We never really started. Walang label, walang official na kami. Just long talks, share jokes, and moments that felt too real to be nothing. Somewhere between good mornings and late night confessions, she became important to me. Hindi ko namalayan I was already treating her like someone I was afraid to lose. And that's why it hurt when you slowly disappeared. No big fight, no dramatic ending, just shorter replies, fewer conversation until silence replaced what we used to have. Ang hirap pala mag-move on sa isang bagay na hindi naman naging sayo. I keep asking myself, may karapatan ba akong masaktan kung wala naman talagang tayong simula? Dagdag pa ni aktor, I couldn't even call it a breakup, yet it felt exactly like one. Walang closure, walang malinaw na paalam, just memories I wasn't sure I was allowed to keep. I miss her, but I didn't know how to explain it to anyone without sounding foolish. And I learned that sometimes the deepest attachment come from the smallest beginnings, and the hardest goodbyes are the quiet ones. The ones where nothing officially started, but something inside her ended anyway.